play these on a rainy day. Play these when you're sad, when your feelings weigh. When the better days we pray for show up on the scene. When the blessings keep on falling and you feel the peace. So I tell you breathe, and I tell you these. So long the Father fill my lungs, I'ma chase my dreams. Nightmares that I woke from praying for the guys. Love letters that I sent, waiting patiently, eagerly. I waited through the seasons, all I said was tough. And I was thinking about the reasons I couldn't find your love. High school and cool kids, Rocket was a clown. 4 years can change a man, he's not about the hype. A couple friends I call my family, they match the vibe. Niggas out here talking numbers, I be changing lives. Retrospect, they leave me out, the conversations right. The greatest way to live a life is when you feel the love. So I'm speaking love, tryna learn to love, tryna give them hugs. Shit. Love and light. Shit, why the fuck am I tearing up, man? Love and light.